Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. In this video I will show you how to build a successful meme coin trading strategy. The key to successful trading lies in having a solid trading strategy that fits your budget. A common mistake among new traders is buying random coins without understanding the market dynamics. Trading meme coins without practice is pure gambling. If you want to succeed and make consistent profits with meme coins, you need some basic skills, which I will explain in this video. New meme coins are constantly being created on Pump.Fun and some traders focus on catching these coins early. However, trading Pump.Fun tokens is very risky, especially when the coins have a low market cap and the dev and top holders control the supply. If you are new, I recommend avoiding coins under the 100,000 market cap unless you have strong tools and trackers to help you identify good coins. The key to success is to target coins that are tied to trending news events. For example, if a viral story hits X and influencers start posting about it, tokens related to the story often skyrocket. If Elon Musk, for example, posts a tweet about his new cat, you can bet that 2 minutes later someone will create a token about it on Pump.Fun and soon the market will be flooded with Elon Musk cat clone tokens. A better way to trade new meme coins is focusing on so-called graduated coins that have already gained some traction. These coins have established decent liquidity pools and have a stronger market activity. When evaluating these coins, copy the contract address and paste it in the free TrenchRadar Telegram bot to see if the token is bundled. The bot will do a quick search and come up with a list of useful information like the percentage of bundled wallets and the amount of Solana that was paid. When 20% or more of the tokens are bundled, it means that the developer has distributed a lot of the tokens to his own wallets, so stay away from the token. We only want to see low numbers to avoid being rugged. 10% or less bundled wallets are fine. We also want to find out the top holder distribution and avoid coins where the top 10 wallets hold the majority of the supply. Look for projects with a broad and healthy holder base to reduce the risk. Another way to find out if a token is not a scam is to check if the DEX is paid. If a DEX is paid, it means someone paid DEX Screener to list the token and display the logo and social accounts on their website. In general, there's less chance that the DEX paid token is a scam, because most scammers won't pay money to advertise their token. Or you can do it on one of the best online screener tools called checkdex.xyz. A cool trick to see if a coin is popular on DEX Screener is by using the search on Twitter button. Click the search by contact address. You will see who is promoting the token and if there are influencers or celebrities talking about it. The more activity, the higher the chance that the token will pump. Trading meme coins who got massive attention in a short period of time due to news events or social media buzz can be very profitable. These coins often trade at a high volume and a high market cap, but you should not stay in your trade too long. I prefer to sell my position when I make 40% or do a 2x on these trending coins. 99% of these trending tokens die out fast, so being early is key. To stay on the lookout for what's trending in the market, you can create a list of major influencers on X or Telegram and see what people are talking about. I have several lists on X that I check out every day to find new coins that can do a 10x or a 100x in a short time. For example, when the Luigi-themed coin was released, after the guy shot down the CEO in New York City, there was a lot of attention to the token and it went from 0 to a 60 million market cap in a few hours. If you act fast and understand that timing is everything in this meme coin trading strategy, you can make some quick profits. I also use the call Analyser Bot to see how often a token is mentioned in different call groups. Copy and paste the token contact address and the bot will display all the groups where the token was announced. It can give you an indication of the coin's popularity and how the market will react. The link to the Telegram Analyser Bot is below. My favorite strategy is to scalp larger, more established coins, as these coins are less volatile. Scalping involves buying and selling assets quickly to take advantage of short-term price fluctuations. Larger cap tokens have higher liquidity and are less prone to the extreme volatility of small cap or new meme coins. For example, I made consistent profits by buying the dips and selling during recoveries of coins like Luigi, Peanut and Chill Guy. Larger cap coins attract institutional investors and create predictable price patterns with less drastic dips and rebounds, making them perfect for scalping. And just like with traditional crypto tokens, you can use technical indicators on these large coins like the relative strength index and the moving average to spot dips and potential recovery zones. Draw support and resistance levels on the chart and look for the psychological numbers like 1 million market cap or 5 or 10 million market cap to decide where to enter your position. These are the levels that smart traders are watching. When a token goes up a lot, people start taking profits and a retracement follows. Don't buy in right after the top. Wait until the price comes down to the support level, and when green buying candles appear on the chart, it means that the price has reached the bottom. This is the best moment to put in your trade. If you use a wallet tracker, you can identify when big traders are buying or selling a token. If a whale is buying, it might signal a good entry point. If the price recovers and surges after a dip, sell your coins and take your profit. Or you can sell your initial and keep the rest as a moonback in case the price goes up even more. Continue this buy low, sell high approach multiple times. These small percentage gains like 30-40% can add up over time, and don't forget to set a stop loss to prevent losses if the price drops unexpectedly. If the token price goes up after I sell my initial, I delete my stop loss and place it higher, so I make more money when the price drops. Another tip is to always have some spare capital to DCA if the price dips further. This will reduce your average entry price and make it easier to profit when the price rebounds. The goal is not to hold for too long, but to lock in gains from short-term movements. With this strategy, you can invest significant amounts with less risk of the coin crashing to zero. This approach is good if you prefer steady, lower risk gains. By sticking to this scalping method and avoiding impulsive trades, you can make a lot of money with meme coins. The best strategy is the one that fits your risk tolerance. Whether you're chasing new coins, trading established ones, or scalping dips, having a strategy is essential. Start small. Learn the ropes and refine your approach over time. Remember, success in meme coin trading doesn't happen overnight. Treat it like a skill to master, and with dedication, you can turn it into a profitable venture. Don't forget to use the TradeWiz bot to manage all your trades on your mobile or iPad, or sign up for Bullix, AutoSnipe or Photon if you prefer to trade on your computer or laptop. All these exchanges have different advantages, but they are all free, fast and easy to use. Bullix is one of the most popular exchanges used by 10,000s of traders, but in my opinion, Photon has a cleaner interface. Plus, it comes with some advanced features like the buy the dip, insta sell and auto buy option. If you trade a lot and want to access all the tools, you may find Photon the best option for trading meme coins. AutoSnipe, on the other hand, is best for beginners. You can use the AI sniper tool or the copy trade feature to trade on autopilot without doing all the research yourself. Keep in mind that meme coins are risky and you can lose a lot of money if you don't use proper risk management and invest money that you can't afford to lose. Do your own research and feel free to try all these exchanges and then pick the one you like most. All my links in the description below will give you a 10% discount on all your trades. Thanks for being here again, and if you got something from this content, please feel free to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Have a great day, trade safe, and see you next time. Bye bye.